Tracking form analytics and triggering campaigns based on user behavior can massively improve your marketing efforts. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to set up these tracking systems so you can make smarter decisions for your campaigns. We're going to use a powerful software that's perfect for this kind of task. But don't worry, I'll break it down in a way that's easy to follow, even if you've never done this before. First, let's talk about tracking form analytics. This involves monitoring how users interact with the forms on your website. You'll want to track important actions like when someone starts filling out a form, when they submit it, and where they might drop off. Tracking these interactions will give you insights into what's working and where you might need to make adjustments. To start, integrate the form with the software we'll be using. Once connected, make sure you set up custom tracking for each field within the form. This way, you'll capture data like which fields are being filled out, how long users spend on each one, and whether they get frustrated and abandon the form before submitting. You'll also want to look at conversion rates. How many users who start the form actually complete it? Now, let's talk about triggering campaigns based on behavior. After you have the form analytics, the next step is to set up behavior-based triggers. This means if a user does something specific, like starting to fill out the form but not submitting it, you can automatically trigger a campaign to re-engage them. For example, if a user starts filling out a form but doesn't finish, you can set up an automated follow-up email or even a pop-up reminder encouraging them to complete it. This is powerful because it targets users at the exact moment they show interest but need a little nudge to take action. Another useful trigger is to segment users based on their interactions with the form. If someone fills out a high-value section, like a contact information field, you can trigger a high-priority campaign aimed at converting them into a customer. The software lets you segment these users and target them with personalized offers or follow-ups. Using this method, you'll ensure that your campaigns are triggered by real-time user behavior, which is far more effective than broad, untargeted marketing. Remember, the software we are using has everything you need to track form analytics and trigger campaigns based on behavior. You can sign up for an exclusive free trial, only available to viewers of my channel, by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, it's a great opportunity to try it out for yourself and follow along with this video. Key takeaway: tracking form analytics and using behavior-based triggers is crucial for optimizing your marketing efforts. By monitoring user interactions with forms, setting up specific triggers, and automating follow-ups, you can boost conversions and improve your overall strategy. To recap, start by integrating your form with the software, track user behavior, and set up automatic triggers for follow-ups based on that behavior. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.